Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Saturday to you guys. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. Guys, I got me a nice quick meal for you guys here today. Something you can make on a Friday or Saturday night. This is going to be my shrimp and orzo pasta. This thing takes about 30 minutes to put together, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. So let's jump into this video and I'll show you how it's done. Alrighty guys, so here's the ingredients I'm going to be using right here today. I got me some orzo pasta. I'm going to be using a couple cups of that. Then I got me some shrimp that I already peeled the vein and got washed up. I'm going to just season it up with my normal seasonings, regular seasonings. I'm going to be using a little mixed vegetable inside of it. That's optional. And I'm going to be using some yellow onions in it also, which is not pictured. Okay, so we're going to get this thing on the road. I got some vegetable oil in my pan here. I'm just coming in and adding my seasoned shrimp to it. Got these seasoned with a little black pepper, onion powder, seasoning salt, and a little smoked paprika. I'm just going to spray these things out. I'm going to let them cook for about 2 minutes on each side. It doesn't take shrimp long to cook at all, and we don't want to overcook it till it's turning into rubber. So I'll give it a couple minutes at the most on each side. Then I'll come in here and give it a little flip. Let it cook on this other side. Alright, since we have them flipped and cooked off on the other side, we'll come in here and get these out of here now. Set those to the side. Go ahead and pull those out. You can see we got all of those nice goodness at the bottom of this pan right here. So I'm going to come in and dump my onions right in here. This is a half of a medium onion. And go ahead and just give that a little mix. Let those cook until they start to soften up just a little bit for me. And once we have them soften a little bit, starting to look like this right here, I'm going to come in and add my 2 cups of orzo pasta inside of here. Alright, then we're going to give that a nice little mix. Going to get that coated with the rest of this vegetable oil inside of here. Guys, if you want to, you can add a little bit more oil to it, or you could add a tablespoon or 2 of butter to it. But this was enough oil left inside of here for me, so I just give it a little mix. Then I'm going to come in here and add 4 cups of water total. That's 2 cups. Off camera I added another 2 cups, so that's 4 cups of water. You could use a seafood stock, or you could use regular chicken broth, but I have the chicken bouillon powder, so I'm just using a little regular water. Then we're going to season it up some, a little black pepper, and a little bit of this onion powder. Alright, then we're going to hit it with some garlic powder. Alright, then a little bit of that chicken bouillon powder. You're going to be careful how much of this you add, guys, because this is going to cook until it reduces, and once things are reduced, it could begin to get a little bit more potent. So be careful how much of that chicken bouillon powder that you add to it. Then I'm just going to give that a nice mix, and I'm going to cover it, let it cook on a high heat for maybe about 7 to 8 minutes until it starts reducing for me. Once that happens, it should start looking just like this right here. Not going to take this thing long at all, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get the top off of it now. Give it a good mix. Then what I'm going to do is come and add in my mixed vegetables to it, maybe about a half a cup mixed vegetables to it, just a little bit to kind of bring it out a little bit more, add a little color to it. That is optional. You could, at the very end, add a little spinach, which isn't going to take long to wilt down. Or you could add some broccoli to it if you would like. Whatever floats your boat. But I'm just going to go ahead and give that a nice little mix. Let my vegetables heat through. And once my vegetables are heated through a little bit, and it starts cooking down just a little bit more, I'm going to come and introduce my shrimp back to the party. And this thing is going to be done, guys. It's bubbling nice and fierce like that. Lets me know that it is absolutely reducing. So go ahead and get my shrimp back in there. We're just going to let these shrimp come back up to temp. Since they've been sitting on the sideline for a few minutes, just going to get those heated back up. Alright, and we left the top off of it, and this is what we have right here, guys, our finished product. If you wanted to, you could add a little heavy cream to it and make it nice and creamy, nice and rich, but I left it just like this right here. Nice beautiful pot of shrimp and orzo with a little mixed vegetables in it. This thing is going to be absolutely delicious. All I did was just take my thumbnails and my videos and give this a try. Nice 30-minute meal you could do on the weekend or on a weeknight. Nice shrimp and orzo pasta. Alright guys, coming with a quick taste test. This is my shrimp and vegetable orzo pasta, however you want to call it. Seems like a long name, but in either case, ain't gonna take no time with this thing. I'm coming right on in. I want one of these shrimp from the bottom because those one at the top are still a little cold. That was just presentation. Look at that. Nice carrot, nice orzo shrimp. Alright, give that a taste test. That's so perfect. Our shrimp is still nice and super tender. The pasta cooked perfectly. Flavor from that chicken bouillon powder. I'll tell you, if you use seafood stock in this, that'll put it over the top. One more taste. Look at that. That's so good. Alrighty guys, this was an absolutely wonderful meal right here. Nice quick 30-minute meal that you guys could give a try. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a great weekend, everyone.